If you live with pets, you already know the struggle. No matter how often you wash your clothes, pet hair always finds a way to stick to everything. Lint rollers run out fast, brushing takes time, and rewashing loads waste water and electricity. That's where FurZapper comes in. FurZapper is a simple, reusable laundry tool that removes pet hair while your washer and dryer are running. No extra work, no special routine, just clean clothes every time. In this review, I'll show you exactly how FurZapper works, what makes it different, and whether it's really worth your money. What is FurZapper? FurZapper is a reusable pet hair remover designed to work directly inside your washing machine and dryer. Instead of brushing, scrubbing, or rolling pet hair off your clothes, you simply toss FurZapper into your laundry load and let it work automatically. It is made from a special heat-resistant, non-toxic silicone material that attracts and grabs pet hair, lint, and dander during the wash and dry cycle. While your clothes move around inside the machine, FurZapper sticks to the fabrics and pulls the hair away, sending it into the washer drain or dryer lint trap. FurZapper works with all types of pets, including dogs, cats, rabbits, guinea pigs, and even hamsters. It is safe for all fabrics, safe for all machines, and reusable for thousands of cycles. Once you buy it, you can use it again and again for years. This product was created by pet owners who are tired of constantly fighting fur on clothes, bedding, blankets, and furniture covers. It is designed to be a simple, hands-free solution for one of the most annoying problems pet owners face every single day. How does FurZapper work? FurZapper uses a specially engineered silicone surface that naturally attracts hair, fur, and lint when it rubs against fabric. When your washing machine is running, clothes tumble and move around, creating friction. FurZapper sticks to the fabric and uses that friction to lift and grab pet hair from deep inside the fibers. During the wash cycle, FurZapper collects hair and releases it into the wash water so it can be rinsed away. When you transfer your clothes into the dryer, FurZapper continues working by pulling remaining hair off the fabric and sending it directly into the lint trap. This means you are removing pet hair in 2 stages, first in the washer, then again in the dryer. By the time your laundry is finished, the hair is gone and your clothes come out clean and fresh. The best part is that FurZapper cleans itself automatically. The hair either washes away with the water or ends up in your dryer lint trap. There is no mess to handle and no maintenance required. There are no moving parts, no chemicals, no batteries, and no filters. It is a completely passive system that works while your laundry runs as usual. Features and benefits of FurZapper. One of the biggest advantages of FurZapper is that it works in both the washer and the dryer. Many hair removal tools only work in one stage of the laundry process, but FurZapper keeps removing hair from start to finish. This gives you far better results compared to traditional methods. FurZapper is completely hands-free. You do not need to scrub, brush, shake, or lint roll your clothes. You simply add it to your laundry load and forget about it. When the cycle is done, your clothes come out clean and hair-free. It is safe for all fabrics, including cotton, wool, denim, towels, bedding, and pet blankets. The soft silicone does not damage clothes, stretch fibers, or harm delicate materials. It is also safe for all washing machines and dryers, including front-load and top-load machines. FurZapper is reusable for thousands of cycles. Unlike lint rollers and dryer sheets that run out quickly and create waste, FurZapper is a long-term solution. One purchase can last you for years. It is fragrance-free and chemical-free. Nothing is left behind on your clothes, which makes it perfect for people with sensitive skin, allergies, or asthma. There are no artificial scents or coatings. FurZapper is eco-friendly. By replacing disposable lint rollers and dryer sheets, you reduce waste and save money over time. It is also extremely durable. The heat-resistant silicone is designed to survive high dryer temperatures without melting or degrading. Most importantly, it works on all types of pet hair. Whether your pet has long fur, short fur, wiry hair, or soft undercoat, FurZapper can remove it effectively. How to use FurZapper. Using FurZapper is incredibly simple. First, add FurZapper directly into your washing machine along with your regular load of clothes. You do not need to change your detergent or washing routine. Start your wash cycle as usual. FurZapper will move around with your clothes and begin pulling hair and lint from the fabric. Once the wash cycle is finished, transfer your clothes into the dryer and place FurZapper in the dryer as well. Run your dryer normally. FurZapper will continue removing any remaining hair and release it into the lint trap. When the cycle is done, remove your clothes and clean the lint trap as usual. Your clothes will be noticeably cleaner and free of pet hair. That's it. There are no extra steps, no preparation, and no cleanup. For best results, the company recommends using 2 FurZappers per pet. If you have multiple shedding pets, using more units will increase hair removal efficiency. It is best not to use fabric softener or dryer sheets because they can coat the FurZapper and reduce its effectiveness. FurZapper pros and cons. FurZapper has many advantages that make it stand out from traditional pet hair removal methods. One major advantage is convenience. It works automatically during your laundry cycle without adding any extra time or effort. It saves money in the long run because you no longer need to buy lint rollers, sticky sheets, or specialty detergents. It is safe for your clothes and machines, so there is no risk of damage. It is durable and reusable for years. It is chemical-free and fragrance-free, making it safe for sensitive skin. It works on many different fabrics and pet hair types. It is environmentally friendly. However, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. FurZapper works best when the washing machine is not overloaded. Overstuffing the machine can reduce its movement and effectiveness. It should not be used with fabric softener or dryer sheets. Very heavy shedding loads may require multiple FurZappers for best results. While it removes most pet hair, it may not remove 100% of deeply embedded fur from extremely thick fabrics in one wash. However, repeated use improves results over time. Overall, the benefits strongly outweigh the minor limitations. Price and where to buy FurZapper is available directly from the official website. It is not sold in local stores and not recommended to buy from random marketplaces. The standard price for one FurZapper is around $29.99 plus shipping. They also offer bundle deals such as buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get one free with free shipping. The company frequently runs limited time promotions that reduce the overall cost per unit. Each FurZapper comes with a patented design, warranty protection, and access to customer support. Orders usually ship within 24 to 48 hours and arrive within 3 to 5 business days in the United States. International shipping is also available depending on location. To ensure authenticity and warranty coverage, it is always best to purchase from the official website. If you are tired of fighting pet hair on your clothes, FurZapper is one of the simplest and most effective solutions available today. It works automatically in both the washer and dryer, requires no effort, and lasts for years. With its durable silicone design and proven performance, FurZapper saves time, money, and frustration for pet owners everywhere. Instead of constantly lint rolling and rewashing, you can finally enjoy clean, hair-free laundry with no extra work. For anyone living with shedding pets, FurZapper is a smart and practical investment that truly delivers on its promise.